This is Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub here at West Coast Sports Cards in Federal Way, Washington, doing a box break of 2014 Topps Chrome football. We're going to crack open a one-year-old vintage in hopes of pulling a high-end auto. You get one auto per box, one rookie auto per box, I should say. And it's 24 packs in a box, 4 cards per pack. So we're going to try to cook through this. I wouldn't mind just pulling some of the solid rookies out of this year, the rookie cards out of here, they're base cards. Nothing good in that one. We're going to fly through these pretty quick. Like I said, the main thing we're looking for is high-end rookies. Not sure, I didn't look at what the parallel ratios are. There's a Blake Bortles rookie. Look at that, and a Blake Bortles. So we got 2 Blake Bortles in one pack. I'm not sure what the parallel counts are on. Odell Beckham Jr. There we go.
There we go.
That's the one I was looking for. Jason Barrett, Cody Hoffman, Robert Mathis. Odell Beckham Jr. die cut. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Was I wanted some Odells in this box. Andre Johnson, Larry Fitz. And we still have our autograph to go yet. Probably, my guess is going to be down towards the bottom. They don't want to blow their load too early in a box break. Kevin Norwood, Keanu Lee, Kelvin Benjamin, parallel.
Looking got like a decent box so far.
So far, so good. Storm, Brandon Cooks, Odell Beckham parallel. Look at that. So we got 2, 3 Odells already. All right. Let's hope that this trend continues and we get a Odell auto in here. Johnny Manziel, Refractor. So those aren't numbered. Sheldon Richardson. Jadeveon Clowney. So that's like a throwback card. That's kind of cool. This is actually my first box of Topps Chrome that I've opened in several years. Khalil Mack, rookie. Tony Romo, Frank Gore, Vontaze Perfect. Can throw Perfect's card away, I don't need that. Allen Robinson, rookie.
That's a cancer awareness patch.
BCA out of 399.
Who's that?
George Atkinson, Raiders. Mike Evans, rookie. Paul Richardson. Charles Sims, parallel. Cameron Jordan. So far we've got the top wideouts. Jason Morrow. Alex Smith, Geno Smith. Jordan Matthews, another one of those throwback style cards. DeMarco Murray, Matt Forte. Still, we're about a little over halfway through and we still have our autograph to go. There's a Derek Carr, look at that, mini throwback. That's kind of a neat card. I've never seen that one before. And there's a Derek Carr refractor as well. Numbered 99 of 99.
Nice.
Check that out. It's like a black and white almost. I don't know how well that's coming through on the video.
Oh, that's showing. Nice.
That's a nice card. I like that one. got at least one under 100 parallel rookie, and of a good player too. Kelvin Benjamin, there we go. There's another rookie for us. Zach Martin, Philip Rivers. So now we definitely have all the, oh, we already had a Kelvin, so that's a parallel of the one we got before. So got all the good wideouts so far. Justin Gilbert, there's our autograph. Darquez Denard. That's got to be a parallel too. Number 4 of 5.
Wow.
Dang, look at that. Look at that. That's a nice card right there.
I love that auto.
That's a nice card. 4 of 5. Check that out right there. 4 of 5.
Very nice.
Darquez Denard. All right, so there's our auto for the box. Not a bad pull. There's Martavis Bryant, the Steelers rookie. Blake Bortles parallel. So we got the Blake Bortles base and one of the parallels, which I don't think these are numbered. Nope. All right. So we're almost done with this box. Deion Buchanan, Jason Verrett parallel.
Barely made it.
Ryan Grant, Shaq Evans, Demarius Thomas, green parallel. That's not numbered. We got Troy Polamalu. All right, we got 3 packs left.
Let's get that second auto.
Yeah, that'd be awesome pulling a second auto out of this box. Storm Johnson.
Cracked ice.
No, this is the
Hello.
Pulsar. Cracked ice is the Panini, isn't it?
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Nicholas, Justin Gilbert. Last pack.
Like somebody else is making a mess.
Let's see what we get here. One more Odell. Got it in here. Jarvis Landry. And there we go. There's your 2014 Topps Chrome.